Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Androtech Tom. It's been a while since my last upload here on YouTube, but I am back again with another video for your Android device. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract files, mostly images and audio files from an Android application. Now, for this purpose, well, for this task, we are going to make use of an Android application known as APK Editor Pro. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can also download and make use of this application yourself. Now, please, if this video is very useful to you, please don't forget to like the video and then subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials for your Android device. Now we are going to make use of the APK Editor Pro, and for this tutorial I have already set up two applications which we are going to use, Piano Tiles 2 and then Dr. Driving. A lot of us know Dr. Driving and also this Piano Tiles 2. So these are the two applications we are going to use for the course of this tutorial. So we are going to go straight into the tutorial. Now, first we are going to try this on the Dr. Driving. So we are going to extract files from this Driving Android application. So first we are going to launch our APK Editor Pro. We are going to launch the application, and then we have four options here. Or we have the select an APK file, we have select APK from app, we have the help, and then of course we have the exit button right down. So basically the select an APK file, that option helps you to select only the APK file for an application, or maybe you haven't installed the application into your Android device, so you basically need that option. But if you have already installed the application into your Android phone, so the second option is the best option, which of course we are going to use for this tutorial because we have already installed both applications into our Android device. So we are going to go straight into tapping the select APK from app. But before we do that, I like to say that this procedure basically works on offline applications. It works basically on offline applications. It doesn't work on every online application. Reason being that most of those Android applications, they get their content from the servers of their developers. So it basically doesn't work on every online application, but should work on every offline application which has audio files and images inside of it. So we are going to go straight and tap on select APK from app since we have already installed the application. Then we are going to navigate to our application, which is Dr. Driving. We are going to tap Dr. Driving, and then we have full edit, simple edit, common edit, and then we have the edit data, which requires the root access. But even without root access, we can still make use of this application, reason being that what we want to do is basically file extraction, so it doesn't need root access. So we are going to tap the simple edit, which is file replacement, and then we have the files inside of Dr. Driving. Now if you check at the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the name of the application which we have selected, which is Dr. Driving. Now we are going to go straight into the images. Now tapping the images, if you check at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see that there are 55 images inside of this Android application, Dr. Driving. So these are the icons, or these are the images inside the Dr. Driving application. And the one of interest is this iclauncher.png. So we are going to extract this iclauncher.png out from this Dr. Driving Android application game. So now if you check at the extreme of the iclauncher.png, you'll see two little icons. One has a pencil-like icon while the other has a diskette-like icon. The pencil-like icon, that option helps you to replace the icon of the image. It helps you in replacing that particular image. But the diskette-like icon, that's the save icon. It helps you in extracting and saving the image into your Android device. So we are going to save it so that it's going to extract and save the image into our Android device. So we are going to tap on it, and then it will give us a notification that the icon or the image has been saved into our Android device. So we are going to move forward into the audios. Now, if you check at the right top corner of the screen, you'll see that there are 11 audio files inside of this Dr. Driving. So we have the blinker.mp3, we have the crash2.ogg, we have clap.wav, we have click1 and all the rest. So we are going to try a few of them. So we are going to try the blinker.mp3. We can just play them and see. Now you can tap the play button right before the name of the file so that it can play the audio file. So I'm going to tap on the play button. Okay, so that's the blinker.mp3, and then we have the crash2.mp3 ogg rather. So that's the crash2.ogg. Now, if you notice, the application kind of shows every kind of audio format inside of every application. If you check, we have MP3 files, we have OGG files, we have WAV file, which obviously are a recorded file. So this APK editor, it extracts every file, every audio format inside of an Android application. Let's take a look at the new life.mp3. Okay, now a lot of us know this on Dr. Driving. Now this new live.mp3 is the default sound that plays whenever we launch the game. So let's listen it again. Okay, so that was a new life.mp3 file. Now if we want to save or extract this file into our Android device, we are going to tap on the save button again, so that it's going to extract and save it into our Android device. So we are going to tap on save, and again it says the new life.mp3 file has been saved into our Android device. So that is that for the Dr. Driving Android application. Now, to confirm if these files were actually saved into our Android device, we are simply going to go straight into our File Explorer. For the tutorial, I'll be using ES File Explorer, which happens to be my favorite File Explorer. So we are going to go straight into the APK Editor folder and then the audio. Now we have the new life.mp3. If we try to run this file using our Google Play Music, it's going to play the file smoothly for us. So as you can hear, it's playing the file smoothly. So if we go to images also, we're going to see the iclauncher.png, which happens to be the application icon for the Dr. Driving application game. So that's it for the Dr. Driving. Now we are going to go straight into the Piano Tiles 2. Now Piano Tiles 2 is another incredible game. It helps you when you're kind of stressed out. When you play the game, it kind of keeps you busy, yes, and it's also sometimes challenging because it has to do with how fast you are in tapping the tiles. So we are going to go straight in extracting few files inside this Piano Tiles 2. So we are going to launch our APK editor again, select APK from app, and then we are going to navigate to Piano Tiles 2. Now we are going to tap on Piano Tiles 2, Simple Edit, and then we are going to go to Images. Now if you check, the very first image here is the app logo.png, which is the app icon or the default icon for the Piano Tiles 2. If you check at the top right corner of the screen, you see that there are 253 images inside of these Piano Tiles 2 application games. So to extract this app logo.png, we are going to tap on the save icon again to save it, and it says the icon has been saved successfully. Now we are going to move over to audio files. Now if you check at the top right corner of the screen, you see that there are 221 audio files inside of this Piano Tiles 2. We have the CD fragment.mp3, shares fragment.mp3, diamonds.mp3, fieldpage.mp3, and all the rest. There are 221 audio files inside of it. But the one of our interest, we are going to take a look at the movie.mp3. So we are going to quickly play the movie.mp3 to listen to the sound. Now basically this is the tune that plays when you if it's your first time launching the Piano Tiles application. This is the tune that plays for you to welcome you to the Piano Tiles 2 application if you're a first time actually. So that's it for the movie.mp3. And I think there is another one that has a movie cycle.mp3. I think it should be the same. Let's try it out. Okay, it's almost the same, but very slight differences. But if you ask me, I think I'll prefer the movie.mp3 to the moviecycle.mp3. Now to extract the movie.mp3, so we'll still do the same thing. We are going to tap on the save icon, and then now it has been saved. So we are going to exit, and then to confirm again, we are going to go into our file explorer, APK editor, audio. Now we have the movie.mp3. If we try to run this audio file using our Google Play Music, it plays the file smoothly without any errors. If we check the image also, you can see the app logo.png image is also extracted into our Android device. Now from here you can actually set any of these mp3 files or your mp3 files into your ringtone or ringback tunes, so that if you really want them to become your ringtone, so that whenever you have an incoming call, these tunes can play. You can also from here set them to your ringtones, depends on the kind of file explorer you use and all the rest. Or you can simply go to your settings, your device settings, news and notifications, sound and notification rather, and from there you can set your ringtones for each of your device or any of them. So that's it, guys. This is how to extract files, including images and audio files from an Android application. Now I have to say that I do not in any way own these applications, so I give credit to every developer of these applications. Now if you really like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to our channel so that you get more updates for your Android device. Thank you for watching. This is Androtech Tom signing out.